It's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time again. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, it's Vlogmas time again.
Merry Christmas! Just hear the sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, ting, lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling, friends are calling you.
Finally, extra tuna from last night, and all the Nancy is everything else except for moi. So, see me here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Welcome to the vlog. Good morning, guys. It is December 4th, and it's early in the morning. It's about 6:30 a.m. I finished doing the rug last night around, I want to say almost 4 a.m. I didn't even realize it was that late. I literally had to shut my own brain down last night. It was just going. And I didn't even drink coffee during the day, because I really don't drink coffee, but I'm just saying. So, for the most part, this is what the living room is looking like since last night, right? It was a disaster when you all saw it. I'll leave a clip before to show you guys what it actually looked like before I got started. A big old mess. Big old mess. So, trust me when I say it's looking 100, maybe not 100, about 98% better. All right, so I still have things that I need to move around, and as you can see, I had barely scratched the surface as far as my fall decor went. This is all I had done. I still have summer stuff up and all this right when I was getting ready to do my decorating. The basement flooded out. There was a flood in the basement and I wasn't going down there. So long story short, this is what I did for fall. But yeah, I didn't do nothing. So these were some of the pumpkins. You could still see that tags are on it. I got these at Joann's. So up here on the dresser still needs to dust, but I'm not doing like 100% clean. I'm just more so interested in getting the Christmas tree up and then go from there, because everything is gonna get dusty again. So that's why I'm not even too focusing on dusting the furniture and things like that. So yeah, it looks clean enough right now, except for in the hallway where everything down there is what I swept from the living room. Oh, as I'm looking at this bag, let me show you guys. So these are just some stuff I had been picking up over the fall season, like early November thereabout, which luckily I did because they have no more right now. So it's imperative, guys, that if you want something and you see it in abundance, pick it up right away, because it won't be there when you go back. Trust and believe when I tell you. So these are all PJs. These are for me and Karifa. I already gave Renee hers for herself and the babies. So these are just me, Karifa, and Safi. I also picked up some shirts. These are what we're gonna wear for Christmas dinner or Christmas day and things like that. I couldn't find any other one. I'm still in the market trying to find one looking more boy for Karif, because this has some sparkling there, but everywhere I went they didn't have any his size without the sparkle. Maybe I'm not looking, so still trying to find that. This is a Christmas gift for Naraya. Another one of the babies. And you get where I'm going, right? Myself and Safi. Yeah, I got these at Walmart. Oh, look what I found, and it has my initial on it. Guys, I don't even drink like that. I'll take a little wine or something like that here and there, but I'm not a drinker. So maybe I could put hot chocolate in this. Yeah, right. So it's so cute. I got this at Burlington. Sippy sippy. $4.99. So yes. So luckily I was picking these stuff up throughout the season past, or I would be down and out right now. All right, so far we have Christmas Day dinner clothing, we have Christmas morning clothing, and the other one that I showed you earlier in the video, we're gonna do our intro in that one. So 3 different stuff. Next year I'm not buying nada. The rug is still wet, so I'm not trying to get it dirty before it dries. So that's why I am wearing my slippers on the wooden floor, because I didn't mop the floor yet. So yeah, that's another thing I have to do before I go to the front porch, mop the floor. What it is. So this little bag here is what I have so far, but I think it should be packing a punch, because I'm not trying to overdo the porch, really and truly, so it should be good. So I'm gonna go jump in the shower and get this up, because right after I'm done doing this, I'm gonna be going to the nail place to get my toes and my fingernails done. I don't even want to show you guys my toes, because it's a monstrosity. Look. Ew. Did you catch that? Ew. Alright, let's go. As far as this dresser here goes, I am gonna try to you hear that, guys? I'm getting hoarse. As far as this dresser goes, I'm gonna try to get this in my bedroom over here, but I gotta make some space in there so it could fit. So this is gonna be in my bedroom until early next year, when the weather starts getting better, because it makes no sense for me to put it outside after getting it to this point. I might as well just keep it in here and finish it off. So yeah, let me go take a shower and meet my grays. Meet my grays, meet my grays, meet my grays. So I'm just giving you guys a quick look at what it's looking like before I put this dye in there. So I'm gonna be using this Clairol Black Touch Up. Okay, I heard it's good, so let's see. So this is the first step to my little glow up for this weekend. Well, not the whole weekend. So this is what the little glow up is gonna start off on. So I'm gonna dye my hair, jump in the shower. I already got done with the porch, which I'll show you guys in a few. So let's do this. Alright, it's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad at all. No, it's not. There's little shading still right here, but for the most part, it's okay. So I'm gonna braid this up, oil my hair and braid it up, and then get dressed and get out of here. Finally, extra tuna from last night, and all the Nancy is everything else except for moi. So see me here, I'm here, I'm here. I'm here. Welcome to the vlog. So, on the system, I dip on the move. On the system, I dip on the move. So, I'm heading out to go get my nails done. My toes did. What else do I have to do before I have to go to work? Because I'm going to work for 3. I honestly don't know how I'm even in the house till so late, you know, because I've been up since about 6 o'clock. So I don't know how I'm in the house for so long. Yeah, guys, I don't know how I ended up leaving this late. It's almost 12 o'clock. And I said I was gonna leave the house around 9. And it's 3 hours later than the allotted time that I set for myself. I was just doing stuff, yeah? So I'm heading to this person to do my nails. And the last time she did my nails when I was going to Jamaica, it was done. Wonderful. And all it was just some white polish. But how she clean up your nails and your foot, the crustaceans that come off on my foot and such, girl, did I do. This is me most days, every day, guys. No makeup. I might put on a little, what thing I name, eyebrow, because mine just gone with age. I did too much plucking, too much waxing, so my eyebrow just stay one way all the time. That's the most I'll do most of the time, put on like an eyebrow. I'm a gone about my business. Little lip gloss and also I might do little editing while I'm getting my nails done, my toes that is. I might do some editing, coming I do today editing yet, even though it's not a long vlog for today, which is yesterday. I don't know if y'all have noticed, right? I don't know if you noticed that I have a big gap, right? And overbite at the bottom, at the top too. I have overbite on the top and the bottom, and that's the result of me sucking my tongue from the day I know myself, maybe out of the womb or whatever, mess up my tongue up till this day. If I'm not talking or eating, mess up my tongue. So at this point, more so the bottom, not so much the top. Well, I don't know, maybe both of them. You guys could tell me in the comments. I noticed down here pushing out more, because when I suck my tongue, down here get the blunt of it, right? The bottom row get the blunt of the suck tongue, right? So I'm thinking about doing braces, but I know it's painful, and 2, I don't wanna pull in the gap up here. I love my gap up the top here. I just feel like I hit make the sister, yeah? I feel like I hit make the girl. So I don't want to fill in the gap up here, so I just pushing like down here, so where I push out. And thirdly, the whole braces thing takes so long. It's so long. I have no patience. If y'all didn't realize, I have no patience at all. I try to practice it as much as possible, and I do well when I practice it, but other than that, So tell me what you guys think I should do, or even not even do so much, but give it some kind of consideration. You see what I'm talking about? People crazy. He's coming out of the side street and it's like half I'm car already out and there's oncoming traffic, which is me. Like, hold your horses, man. Hold your asses. Hold your asses. So almost at this place. It's nearby my daughter, so after I'm done, I'ma go check the kids and see how them doing. The grandkids, that is. So nail place. See y'all there. I'm here. Alright guys, so I had to go get cash because they don't take card. So this is the place. Alright guys, we got done. This is the tour. I brought my own nail polish. So that's it for this vlog, guys. See you in the next one. See you later. It's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time again. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's Vlogmas time again.